Laughter and learning. 5 ways comedy strengthens education. In this video, we look at the 5 benefits to providing students with a chance to enjoy a little comedy in the classroom. Building retention and learning through comedy. Laughter is one means of keeping us healthy both mentally and physically. When used effectively by teachers and students in the classroom, comedic timing, or knowing when to tell a joke, can add value to education and educational strategies used by teachers and students. How can laughter help with learning? In finding ways to connect with their students, teachers can share personal experiences that may bring comfort and laughter and learning to their students in the classroom. When teachers provide students with a chance to show that they can relate to how they feel about a particular situation, like studying for exams, it in itself brings a smile to both teachers and students alike. The 5 benefits to including a little laughter and learning in the classroom. Number 1. It connects us through shared experiences. How many of us have ever been in a situation where we simply forgot what we had to do? Laughter helps learning when it allows for connections to happen through shared and relatable experiences. Take this comic for instance. Did you finish your math homework? What math homework? About adding integers. Oh, right, I forgot. So, did you do the homework?
I think I'm in the wrong class.
Number 2. It helps us improve our memory skills. It's a good thing when we can recognize that what we learn in school helps us in the real world. Our memory skills are improved when we associate emotions to what we learn and what we remember. When we include a little laughter and learning in our daily routine in school, we help to build and improve on our memory skills. Building our memory skills helps us to recall and respond to others. These others may be trying to test our memory skills, but we can show them that we are on to their test and pass it with flying colors. Number 3. Allows us to build confidence in ourselves. When we learn from past mistakes, it helps to build confidence in our abilities. Confidence we build can help us to believe in ourselves. When we use this belief to start helping others, we can enjoy a common goal. The common goal brings forth a connection that can bring laughter when mentioned at the right time. Every teacher who has now learned the joy of online teaching can relate to our comic, pointing out how important it can be to have the right materials ready for class. Not to mention the hope that their students can properly use their online educational tools. Okay, it's your first day of teaching online. You can do this. Okay, books, check. Computer, check. Proper clothes on in case I have to stand up during lesson, check. Please let my students know that I am here for them and that they know how to use the audio button on their computer. Amen. Number 4. Encourages us to learn in new ways. Knowing when to use laughter to make a topic more interesting and engaging is the secret tools that teachers often use to make learning any topic more interesting. Number 5. Builds enthusiasm for teaching and learning. When we take in consideration our first 4 benefits, we see that we are more connected to others in the classroom. Our enthusiasm for teaching and learning grows when we are able to enjoy what we are teaching or learning. And so making laughter part of the daily activities in the classroom can benefit everyone. Let us hear your thoughts on our recommended benefits to bringing comedy into the classroom. Comedians are the best teachers. Or the best teachers are comedians. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. For more on teachers and teaching strategies from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning, visit our website at edukitchen.net. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning for more educational content and videos like this. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.